Hi guys, today is not a Roblox video. Today is like some tips or something, how to do a logo. Yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Alright. Let's go to banner size. Go over here. You need to copy this. If you want to write it, you write it. I'm too lazy to do that. Banner. I'm gonna choose quickly. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna choose this one, the hacker one. Save as an image. I'm gonna put hacker, cause it's it's 18 March. 18 March, that means John Doe's Day. Okay. I'm gonna put hacker. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, they didn't understand, that's why. No, I'm not gonna do it like that. No. I'm gonna do something else. Like always, I choose something else. Let's do this thing. Yeah, sure, I'm gonna put the rainbow one. Okay. Save as image. Put that on. Put that crap on. There. And there you go. Nice looking logo. And now you want the banner. For example, I'm gonna do something else. This one was for the banner. Sorry. I'm gonna put this one. I hate my life. Why I did this? Where is it? There you go. Done. Oh, I couldn't, right? Put this again. Let's see this. No, it didn't work, but okay. Let's do another one. Yeah. I will say for you to put I don't know what to put, so yeah, I'm gonna be here for a while. You just relax. You guys relax. Oh, I got in the one in my head. Banner. Roblox. Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, yeah, Art, YouTube, Google. Sure. I'm gonna yeah. It's long. I know, but I need to choose something. Sorry, Mr. Let's do this. We'll do this. What's Roblox? There you go. And bam, we got that. Bam. Now for the logo. For YouTube. Gonna put that on. Oh, that's cute, but I'm not gonna put that. I'm not gonna put Mona Lisa. It's gonna be lame. I'm gonna put Roblox image. Whatever. I'm gonna choose whatever. Oh, that looks so creepy, but okay. Everybody looks so creepy. Yeah, I don't know what to choose from, but the hell no. Yeah, hell no. Put that on Google. Sure, we're gonna something over here. I want. Ooh, I got it. I want this. For example, you put that on. What was it? Oh, true. We'll do that. Upload a photo. Gonna put face. How long am I gonna put that? Just kidding. Oh, do a noob because I'm a noob. Noob. Roblox. Yeah, today not a Roblox video. Tell you. Guess noob. Yeah, I'm gonna put the cute one. Really? Okay, get up. No. Whatever. Flat. I almost say fat. Sorry it took a long time to do this. So long. Got it. Yo, got it. Got that crap. Now, you see, go to my channel. Go to your channel, my channel. You will see. No. Want this? What was it? I forgot. What was it? I need to go again. Okay, that. You put that. Go to my channel. Done. Go to my freaking channel. Nope. Oh no, hell no. I just did this once because I was beginning doing my channel. You put yeah, I'm gonna let it like that, but I'm gonna change edit. You're gonna put it to normal. How I did it. Yeah, everything is yeah, so we're done. Yeah, we're done doing that. We're done. I forgot to say something. If you wanna, you have to be subscribed. You need to subscribe to my channel if you want a shout out to my video. And today's shout out is, you know her. Yeah, we're related. Look at her. Rosie, shout out because she, oh, I forgot. There's 2 shout outs. There's one shout out for Scorp. Today's 2 lucky person is Rosie and Scorp, aka Manny. If you wanna be in the video, if you wanna be in the video, or be in the get a shout out, like, subscribe, and get post notifications on. And yeah, we're done for today. Thanks guys for watching this video. I'm sorry it was so long to pick a logo and a banner, but it's okay because I'm eating my own cereal. We call it Lucky Charms. Okay, see you next time. Bye.